Hey, what's happening, guys? You forgot you were stopping by today. Well, as long as you're here, we got updates I want to show you. Come on. They're just right here inside the garage. How about we open it up with a snap, huh? Great. How does Mortsky do this? Damn it. This is a 45-minute walk home. Wonder how soon I can get an Uber. Sorry about that. I was down at the lake making sandcastles. Come on, I'll take you in the other way. Ain't no sense in going back down there again. Check it out. We got bedsides for the 78. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. They're not perfect, as you can see down here. Look at that. Oh, where are you? Down here is a crease. A little rust. But, if y'all remember, come with me. What we're starting with here. Check it out, remember? Look at that. So I think it's a hell of a lot better than where we're now. What do you think? Think you can do it? Oh, never mind that PVC pipe there that's housing the battery cable. We'll worry about that some other time. So, what do you guys think? Think it's worth putting together now? Think that'll work? Pretty cool, huh? Alright, until next time. Remember, they're forever rusting.